Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Gmail password. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, you guys must have to sign in with your Google account. So after signing in with your Google account, you guys have to just open up new tab, and here you guys have to simply click on top right corner of your profile icon. So after clicking on your profile, here you guys have to just click on manage your Google account. So after clicking on manage your Google account, here you guys have to just tap on security section, which is on left panel. So after clicking on security, here you guys have to simply tap on the password, which is below to passkeys. So after tapping on password, Google will ask you for your password, and after confirming your password, Google will ask you for new password, and you guys have to just retype the new password, and in this way you guys can be able to change your Gmail password very easily. So hope you guys would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.